Hey, how's it going, friends? Today I'm going to show you just a real quick vlogging setup for GoPro and pretty much any other action camera for this one. So if you've been thinking about vlogging simple, because everything's always in focus with the GoPro unless you get really close. If you've been thinking about that, but you're turned off by the audio, this setup is pretty much all you would need for the most simple, albeit not the steadiest option, but it's very compact and it'll get you what you need, and you might just have to stabilize in post. In the next few videos, I'm going to be doing some gimbal setups for vlogging with the GoPro and the mic and the audio adapter, everything you would need to vlog, only much more stable. So whether you're just a casual GoPro user, a vlogger, or you want to do some serious cinematography, please subscribe to this channel because I'm going to have a lot more videos based on small filmmaking just like this. So check this out. For this super duper simple GoPro vlogging setup, you're going to need just your GoPro Hero 5 or 6, a cage for your GoPro, your microphone, your GoPro audio adapter, some heavy duty Velcro, and a small tripod. First thing you want to do is take off the door to the ports on your GoPro. I've already done that. Then you want to take your cage and just a small dot. You don't even need the whole thing, but I'm going to use small dot. If you have the rectangular or the square, that'll work too. Just trim it to fit. And I'm just going to put it in the far corner right here. And that's for the audio adapter later, but you're going to put heavy duty Velcro on the audio adapter also. Then put your GoPro in the cage, tighten it up, plug in your audio adapter, use the Velcro to attach it to the front, so now it's not loose anymore. Put your mic in the hot shoe, plug it in, screw in your tiny tripod, and here we go. Now you can sit it somewhere or hold it out in vlogging mode and point it at yourself. Pretty nifty, very compact and out of the way. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments. Please subscribe and tell your friends. And remember, create, share, repeat, and keep it awesome. See you next time.